What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and today we are going to look at a program where we will convert any number into three different forms that is commonly used in programming. So these are terms that are used in computer languages, and binary means nothing but zeros and ones. So every number, every letter, every color or anything that you see on the screen is zeros and ones, and that is interpreted by the processor. The second one is octal, which is 0 to 7, where any number is represented with numbers from 0 to 7. And the last one is hexadecimal, which is 0 to 9. And then when it comes to 10, we use the alphabet A, and then we keep going on until 15, where 15 is F. And that's where it stops. We have all this ready, and what we're going to do now is take a number. So let's go with number. We need integers, so let's go with a number like this. So to convert this number into any of these forms, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is print. Let's print 3 times. And for binary, there is an inbuilt method which is bin, and then you put the number in there. The same goes for octal. It has an oct, and then you put the number. And the last one is hexadecimal, which is hex and then number. So once you print this out, it's pretty easy and you don't have to do any of these calculations. You just put these things in a method and it will pass, and it will give you the hexadecimal values of this number. So if you want this number in hexadecimal, it's 8680. If you want this in octal, it's 103200. And then if you want it in binary, it is ones and zeros. So that is it for this video guys. A very simple video, but like I have came across an interview question like this where they ask you to convert a number into binary, octal or hexadecimal. So I wanted to share this with you guys. It shouldn't take you a lot of time. Just remember that these methods are inbuilt because these are computer language. So Python already gives you a method for that. So you don't have to worry about it. So that is it guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.